Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some essential car maintenance tips that every car owner should know. Whether you're new to maintaining your vehicle or just need a refresher, stick around because we've got you covered. First up, let's talk about oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial for keeping your engine running smoothly and prolonging its lifespan. Here's what you need to know. Check your owner's manual for the recommended oil change interval. Typically, it's every 5,000 to 7,500 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. Use the type and viscosity of oil recommended by your manufacturer. This ensures optimal performance and efficiency. If you're comfortable, you can do it yourself with a few basic tools. Otherwise, a quick trip to your trusted mechanic is a smart move. Fresh oil lubricates engine parts, reduces wear and tear, improves fuel efficiency, and helps maintain overall engine health. Next, let's tackle brake pad replacement. Your brakes are crucial for safety, so knowing when and how to replace them is key. Listen for squealing or grinding noises when you brake. These are signs that your brake pads may be worn down. Check your brake pads regularly. You can often see them through your wheel spokes. If they look thin, less than a 1/4 inch thick, it's time for new ones. Replacing brake pads can be done at home if you're comfortable working with your car's brake system. Otherwise, it's best left to a qualified mechanic. Worn brake pads can compromise your stopping ability and lead to more expensive repairs if left unchecked. Lastly, let's discuss tire rotation. This simple maintenance task can extend the life of your tires and improve your car's handling. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer. This helps ensure even wear. There are several rotation patterns depending on your car's drivetrain: front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive. Follow your manual for the correct pattern. Tire rotation can be done at home if you have a jack stands, and a lug wrench. Just make sure to follow proper safety precautions. Even tire wear improves traction, handling, and can save you money by extending the life of your tires. And there you have it, some essential car maintenance tips to keep your ride in top shape. Remember, regular maintenance not only saves you money in the long run, but also ensures your safety on the road. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on keeping your car running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.